Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MTNB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Past couple of days on this one have been very, very nice, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's get some levels of support and then resistance mapped out here. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above that 70-cent mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 70, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to actually stay above that 70-cent mark, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that, be down here right around this little miniature consolidation area, and that sits at about 65 cents. So in the more so the shorter term, 70 cents and 65 cents, the two key areas of support. As far as taking a step back and looking at things from more of a big picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet very efficient and easy way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best picture that? No questions asked. Again, sure, staying above 70 cents, that would be great, but grand scheme of things viewpoint, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, first sellers right there, right around 78 cents it seems, and then after 78, just simply where the party stopped overall, and that's up at 85 cents. So sure, 85 cents is the overall level of resistance, but before you start talking about doing battle and all that good stuff with that one up there, initial hurdle that needs to be crossed, again, right there at 78 cents. All in all, though, great looking chart, and as long as the price keeps on building higher bases, everything else will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.